तो गाइस आज का टेस्ट शुरू करते हैं, देखते हैं कितना होता है। अ,
आज आग लागली जे कंपनीમાં નિયમનદાર બાપા કામ કરતા કે બીજી કંપનીમાં
हमड्रम का मतलब होता है बोरिंग। तो नेक्स्ट इसको इसको बाद में करेंगे। टू फैन द फ्लेम्स मतलब कि सिचुएशन को और ख़राब करना। इनकरेक्टली एनआरकी टायरन डबल आर होता है। रमा वेंट विथ हिज वाइफ टू द विलेज टू सोल्ड हिज लैंड। देयर ने हिज होगा। ड्रैग माने पुल खींचना। लेसन का मतलब कम करना, तो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा एंटोनिम। द क्राउड हैव गैदर्ड अराउंड एरिया टू वॉच द एक्टर्स। गैदर इन द एरिया। द क्राउड हैव गैदर्ड इन द एरिया टू वॉच द एक्टर्स। द क्राउड हैव गैदर्ड इन द एरिया। कंट्रोल्ड का क्या होगा? एंटोनिम काल्म होगा या एक्साइटेड। नेल्सन सेड आई वाज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट। He had been playing cricket. The fielder at the stop position took a brilliant catch. A brilliant catch was taken. To fight tooth and nail मतलब पूरी तरह से लड़ाई करना। Ferocity, intensity, हाँ सही। The people of Rajasthan strictly adhere to the tradition, हाँ। The prisoners are kept at constant surveillance, are kept under. मिथिला आर्ट ट्रेडिशन इज पास्ड ऑन फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। ये इसको हम करते हैं। अ पर्सन एम्प्लॉयड टू ड्राइव अ प्राइवेट हायर्ड कार सफर द वर्स्ट पॉसिबल डैश फॉर ह्यूमन सोसाइटी इज दैट वी विल डिस्ट्रॉय आवरसेल्व्स विद न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स। द मोस्ट पॉसिबल प्रेडिक्शन इनकरेक्टली रिटर्न हो जाएगा वर्बल स्पीच मेलोडी। रिटर्न भी सही है, वर्बल भी सही है, स्पीच में शायद डबल ही रहता है। हाँ। द आर्ट ऑफ इफेक्टिव और पर्सुएसिव स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग पोएट्री। ये रियोटेरिक नहीं होता है। इफेक्टिव और पर्सुएसिव वीर। Moore worked without stopping until he ran out of clock. Then he made himself. He was enjoying himself sitting alone by the fireside. The firelight danced on the walls and cast around. His tea tasted excellent, and there was nobody to disturb him then for the first time. इसका क्या होगा? Archaeology have discovered 6,050 structures here. The largest pyramid temple called Structure 2. Structure 2. Deep in the Kalakan was once the two dueling superpowers. डी के बाद ए बन रहा है, ए दो जगह है, सो बी सही होगा. डीप इन द जंगल ऑफ साउथर्न मैक्सिको lie the ruins of city century before it was abandoned more than 1000 years ago. हाँ, बी के बाद सी. I have already spent it. Give me back my money. Arun said to the trip. I have already spent me. सी के बाद ए. बी के बाद डी. The crowd has gathered. The crowd has gathered. Herself. He was oh. एक और देखते हैं. इंकरेंटली इंक्रीमेंट एंड कैंसिलेशन इम्बेडिमेंट होना चाहिए. एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफन यूज राइम एंड alliteration. How beautiful she is. Betty exclaimed with joy that she was very beautiful. Pipe dream. A dream or idea that keeps repeated. Unlikely to happen. मंच का क्या होता है? chew. Termination. Conclusion. Conviction. दोषी. The C has become अचीप होना चाहिए. Stalwart farm robust cowardly. Either the bears or the lion has escaped from the zoo. Is escaped from the zoo. Slur का क्या होता है? Compliment. Social insulation overcrowding the attractiveness of a society. Herculean task, a task that requires a large amount of physical strength. Won't you please come to help me along this walks? Would not you please come to help me? Would not you प्लीज कम नहीं होगा. इसका a dog has stolen piece of meat and butcher's shop when he was crossing. डी के बाद बी. The man bought a parrot. A parrot was bought my man. Was bought by man. Was bought my man. That spoke. That could spoke. that could spoke 5 languages, but uh, that could spoke 5 languages, was bought by the man that spoke. One who studies the concept meanings of numbers and their supposed influence on human life. Occult meanings of numbers, numerologist. Here's to the news. Listen at 9 p.m. There will be an important announcement about the budget. Listen. Listen to the news tonight at having no boundaries or limits, infinite. Incorrectly spelled word bucket plage aquarium में सी नहीं होगा. The coconut is a very useful plant with a wide range of products being sourced from it. Moreover, however, इसके बाद में कहते जल्दी से. Water substance composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen exist in आगे क्या लिखा है? Sorry. It is one of the most plentiful and essential. Third है ना. It is one of the most plentiful and essential for compounds. Water substance composed of chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen. It is one of the most plentiful and essential for compounds. As translucent odorless liquid at room temperature, it has the important velocity नहीं होगा, versatility भी नहीं होगा. ये कैसे छूट गया? Third number, essential. It is one of the most plentiful essential in compounds. वाला कैसे? Third number, a translucent odorless liquid at room temperature, it has the important ability to dissolve many of the substance. Indeed, the dash of water as a solvent is essential for versatility. A most important, however, are its oil, which is extracted. The coconut is very useful plant with a wide range of products being sourced from it. Coconut products are used to make C1. Moreover, however, its oil, which is extracted, processed, and marketed for culinary, medical, and cosmetic use alike. Its carnival is harvested, used to make everything from collard. C के बाद B होना चाहिए. इनकरेक्टली कौन सा है? कैंसलेशन unpretentious, unpretentious. Either wears a loom has escaped from no substitution. 11. Social insulation overriding the competitiveness of a society. 13. Would not you please come to क्या होगा with help me with this heavy box. Along with this heavy box, along with this along शब्द के बाद with आता है with along with of essential of compounds used to show something belongs to a group after someone's fingers compounds. तो इतना रहा आज का.
कितना लंबा